Alright, welcome back. And back at the shop, just got this all prepped. Both sides and this too. Oop, that bent a little bit, that's alright. But either way, I'm about to tack this piece in here, see if she fits real nice. If she does, look at it, like a glove. Looks like it was meant for it. So we'll get this piece tacked up in there, and let's tack it. We'll see what happens. Gas is on. Alright. Let's see here. Ooh, I forgot, I need my post jack. That's why we're running into some issues here. Let me take this out and go grab the post jack. Alright, now I just gotta get this jack up. Ow, my finger's stuck. I think that's where the sweet spot is.
Damn, when I move this thing, should I drive it around and should I pop it down in the first or just keep it in drive?
Yeah, you can drive, because it'll stay in first.
That's what I was trying. I just kept it in first.
Yeah, that's about as much as you can do. Can't blow up, already blew up. Oh no, are we getting out of gas here? Alright, well, we ran out of gas.
Where's Burns' tank at?
Is it still on his welder?
I don't know.
Where's his welder at? Oh, his welder's in the frickin'...
I swear there's a tank on that thing.
In the whatchamacallit.
Yeah, let's go good.
Alright, we might have some gas here.
Hang on, man, we're gonna look.
Yeah, he's gonna go check for me, see if he's still got another bottle in the garage. Alright, yeah, we ended up having gas. So I got gas! Oh, that's great. Alright, I'm gonna cut out this back floor pan so I have a little bit more room to weld this back side on this cab mount. So let's do that. Get that taken care of. You guys already seen me cut crap out, blah blah blah, yada yada yada. But we finally got this mounted, like I said before, the rear cab mount, and I cut out more of the floor, as you can see. Here, I'll show you guys. We cut that out and cleaned that up over there. So this is all nice and clean. I got that edge. I'm probably gonna make, instead of a square right there, probably just cut it diagonally. And then this, it's gonna go over, and I'm actually gonna cut it on the other side of this channel all the way down, so I have somewhere to weld my new piece to. And I might take that up and straight across over there. We'll see. I gotta go look at the piece, but I'm pretty sure I have to keep this section for my floor. And before I do everything, I'm actually gonna come through and wire brush all this and paint this section of the frame underneath here. So we'll paint this section, clean this all up, paint this, and then we're gonna go around and clean all the edges. So I got a nice clean surface for when I weld my flooring. Alright, well, change of plans again. I got at least one, instead of getting that out, I'll worry about that front cab mount tomorrow. I'm gonna get this one all welded up, all nice and pretty. So then this one's done, and then I'll move on to the other one tomorrow.
See your mobile device. Make it easy. You can listen to us right here for sure. Bring music all the way from Twisted Sister passing calls. So the Stones, let's do Mr.GoodOl'Boys. We will rock you.
Very nice.
That gets your pipers piping. Apply online today at MrGoodOl'Boys.com/careers.
I'll show you in a minute.
If you're ready for a career you'll truly love, we can help.
It's the holiday season. They'll get you looking right. Every haircut includes a hot towel for your face, massaging shampoo, styling, and finishes with a neck and shoulder massage. All of that is.
But yeah, welded that in, welded a little underneath, welded it there and underneath, and welded this bad boy. And I'm holding off on this because I'm actually going to put another plate on top of here, and then I'm going to, once I put the plate up here, then I'll weld the nut on top for that cab mount. So I'm gonna end it up actually here for the day. It's already getting late. It's almost 9 o'clock. I want to get home, shower up, get metal over. I mean, like, look at my arm. That's from bumping into this every time. Yeah, it's all over my arm. What the heck? Whatever. So I'm gonna go get cleaned up, take a shower, and enjoy the rest of the night. Made a pretty good dent today. I would have to say tomorrow I should be able to get the other mount done. You know what, I'm lying. Stop doing that. I'm gonna focus on the one cab mount, get this one done. I always do that with myself, every time. I always get ahead of myself. Frickin' finish one mount, and then move to the other. Jeez, Danny. That's what I have to deal with. Myself, every time. Alright, so either way, I'm done for the night. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was a lot of metal work again, and you know, slowly but surely we'll get her all done. So I hope you guys enjoy, but for now, he gone!